Biodiversity is the natural world around us, and the variety of all of the different kinds of organisms, the plants, animals, insects, and microorganisms that live on our planet. Every one of these live and work together in ecosystems to maintain and support life on Earth and exist in delicate balance. But why is protecting biodiversity so important? And what would happen if we didn't? Biodiversity is one of the most precious and important things we have. We tend to think of it as something that's just nice to look at and enjoy spending time in. But it's actually so much more. Without biodiversity, our entire support system for human as well as animal life would collapse. We rely on nature to provide us with food and clean water, for a lot of medicines, and to prevent flooding and other extreme weather effects. So much is provided by the natural ecosystems around us. They're truly vital to life on Earth. We think we can just trash one bit or remove a species and it'll be all okay. But the different plants and animals are interconnected in vital ways that we don't even always understand. Because biodiversity is so crucial to our future survival, its loss is an absolutely huge crisis. We've concentrated so much in the last few years on climate change. And although we all need to take climate change really seriously, if we fix the climate crisis and not the biodiversity crisis, we'll probably have mass extinctions anyway. And I don't just mean mass extinctions of animals or plants, but of people too. There are things that we can do to protect our biodiversity. First, supporting political action committed to protecting and restoring biodiversity. We should find time to support local projects that can help the preservation of biodiversity, such as tree planting, environment cleaning, and others. Second, reducing waste of consumer goods, from food, clothes, electrical appliances, and etc. We should limit our purchase of products to only what we can consume. Third, educating children about biodiversity ecosystems and the threats they face and the opportunities to restore them. Educate the future and present generation about the present threats and teach them on how to provide solution to it. We should educate children so that they will know the threats that they have in the present and study more about it so that they can provide solution to it in the future. Fourth, buying fewer products and making sure the products you do buy minimize the impact on biodiversity. Avoid purchasing products that can pollute the environment, such as plastics and those with chemicals that can harm the plants and animals around. Fifth is recycling. Recycle. See if the things that you have is still useful and avoid always buying new things so that the manufacturers or the companies can reduce the use of different resources that they get from our environment. We only have one planet, one Earth. May we use our strengths and intellects so that we can save it as of the moment from its state. We should be mindful of our actions and the way we live on our planet because we humans are not the only ones who is living here on our dear planet Earth. And that's all. See you in the next video.